People gon' talk, but it won't change, yeah. Ay, keep it steady up in my own lane, yeah. Ay, bottle service up when I get paid, yeah. Ay, Casa de Amigo sit plante, yeah. Turn that shit up, caliente, yeah. Ay, kung fu, but I ain't your sensei, yeah. Ay, tore the shit down in my own way, yeah. Ay, I be getting bands, getting plenty. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Get these bands, yeah, we gon' roll. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Smoking our pounds, yeah, we gon' roll. Slide, ash, freeze, dancing, slide, ash, freeze, dancing.
Yeah, how about we sip some, get nasty? Like it when you're tipsy and you get a little ratchet. I take 2 shots, now I know that you'll match it. Falling for me, now you know that I catch you. Sexy, flashy, body, dancing. Lights on, camera, lights, action.
What up, everybody? It's a beautiful day out here and kind of chilly today, Poland. We're gonna be putting a CNC71 angle kit on Trevor's purple M3. So pretty cool stuff. See how this goes. So these are the CNC71 angle blocks. They're a bit different from the Odessa style that I have on my car, but they look pretty good. So I've knocked it loose already. I tried loosening the nut with like a jack underneath and without a jack underneath. And right now with this, like with tension between this to try to pull down on it and stuff, and it is not coming off. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to like, and then it'll just come out and then the new one will go right in. But yeah, rusty. Got one side of Trevor's purple car taken apart. Admire that for just a second. Okay, a second's over. So, got my pickle fork stuck in here. Won't fucking come out. And the ball joint won't come out either. That control arm and both tie rods are out already, but this has been a battle. Time to get fucking sketchy here. This ball joint is not coming out for the life of me. I've tried everything, I'm so exhausted. Been here like 5 fucking hours. And this motherfucker is not coming out. Alright. I don't know why the camera's kind of shittier quality. Trevor's car is fully disassembled. Everything has been removed. Oh yeah. Got a casting couch now. That'll be on the second channel. That's a joke. But here's his old stuff. Beautiful. This side's not as bad. These guys are okay still. This did not want to come out though. This was a battle. Normal bushings like work with this, or just a hammer, like these just normal rubber ones. But these ones have like this fucking metal outer layer and they need to be pressed in. I got this one like squared up and everything, but it is just not budging, like indenting the shit out of the wood and cracking it instead. And then this thing's like hard as fuck. I had to use this for leverage. This one went in, but then it needs to go this much further, and I don't have like a socket or anything in this size. So Bartek has a friend in Titchin that's gonna press them in later today for me. Now with this thing, so we have new eccentric lollipops. Got new male original tie rods, inners and outers. They've been shortened about 1 inch 1.5, something like that. And then we have new male control arms with all new ball joints. Now, we were supposed to be putting in these angle adapters from CNC71, but it turns out these are for a regular E36, not an M3. So, since this is an M3 replica with literally everything from an E36 M3 in it, Euro version, the knuckles are actually different, and the spacing from here to there is about 1 centimeter off. So we're waiting for new adapters. So this is for a non-M, and it will be easier if I use one of these to lock it in place. So that sits right in there, nice and recessed, just like the Odessa stuff. So put that in there. So it's in. It is in. Now look up here through the top. You see that? It's about 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter off, which means that we have to reorder the adapters and wait a week for the new ones that are for an M knuckle. So it turns out they do make the separate kit. We just didn't notice, or we got ordered the right one. Don't really know. This was ordered a long time ago and we thought it would work. But now the more you know. Jimmy Oakes actually had the same issue on his E36 M3 as well, the red one that's now Jay-Z swapped. And he just swapped down to a non-M knuckle. So we'll see what these feel like, because apparently they're supposed to feel like shit. So maybe there will be some noticeable differences, but we'll give it a go, see how it is, and let you guys know. Now we're really hoping that these spilt water. Oh, and then my glasses. Nice. So we're hoping that these parts come in before, I don't know, the 28th, 29th, so we can finish this car up and then take it to the night ride, Cars and Coffee. So that would be really cool. Be really sick to take all 3 coupes, but we'll probably only take 2. It makes a little more sense. Currently warming up the car, and I just sprayed like an entire can of brake clean on it. We're gonna check if it's leaking. So that all used to be covered in oil and just wetness. Now it's cleaned. So we should be able to see if anything is leaking. We're gonna let it warm up to temp and then see if that gets it to leak. If not, maybe give it a couple revs to like 4 grand. Hold it at like 2,000 for a little bit. Build up some pressure, but mechanic.
Quick fix.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Quick fix.
Yes, yes.
You like sitting in it?
I kind of want to do that, but I think the temperature is not good for doing it at the moment.
No.
So we will wait for like
Yeah.
next
Nie.
maybe 1 minute.
Pytałem się, czy lubisz siedzieć w nim.
A, myślałem, że chodzisz.
No. Alright, so the car is fully warmed up. We can give her a little rev now. It's been running for like 20-25 minutes. I've wiped everything. I've wiped a lot. Wiped and scraped and tried to get everywhere I can. We'll probably need some more time to let it, like, I don't know, probably need to go for a drive to really see if it leaks, because it wasn't like leaking before, just maybe sweating. We'll let it run for a bit longer and see. Painted those black, but they're kind of shitty, but you know, whatever. This is the wrong side.
Damn, boy. Oh, look. The hole is bigger. Okay, so there is some noticeable differences.
All right, well, got some cool stickers too. The parts. Now it's time to put them in the car. All right, guys, so we did this the way I've always done this, where you bolt this on and then put the ball joint up in to the adapter. Now try to put that nut on. Yeah, that's fucked. That's so fucked. So I don't know, we might have to take it off first, or do you have to grind it down?
Or maybe we should first do this one, and after that?
Maybe, I don't know, this is weird. Let us know what you've done before, and we'll talk to Trevor and see what he wants to do. All right, so we managed to start the threads, and now you can give it a little bit, twist it, jack it up a little bit, twist it. Really cool stuff, guys, but at least it fits, and we know it'll be good. So we lied, we had to take it all apart again. Now we're gonna go put that in, bolt it up, and then do the knuckle after, I guess. Actually, we lied a third time, and that won't be possible because then this bolt won't go in. So, I don't know. I'm not a suspension geometry guy, I'm a mechanic, and this is fucked. All right, so side as well. We just have to grind a little bit off of that nub, and that's enough for the nut to clear now. All right, the adapters are in. Got some more camber. Those are our toe plates. It's set to like 1 millimeter of toe out right now. Once it settles on the ground, it'll be a little more toed out. So should be pretty ideal for the road, hopefully. The wheel stayed straight. All right. She's got that angle. All right, so first couple feet, we had a brake dust shield touching the wheel, so it made some noises. Oh, that's new, I think. Huh. So, steering wheel, not straight, but car drives straight. Don't even need to hold the wheel. Drives great, actually. Corner's good. Feels stable as fuck. Wheels don't like hop or anything or rub. All right, so car made it. There is a little bit of rubbing on this fender liner here while turning right. You can see it started to chip it a little. That'll either fix itself, or we take the fender liner out or jack it up a little bit. But other than that, she drives great. Yeah, like I said, it honestly steers and does everything better than it did because it had blown ball joints, which is kind of a given, but it feels really direct, planted. You can definitely feel that it wants to kind of go sideways more, I guess. It has that like feeling of the front being stable and the back wanting to come loose. Overall, was a kind of a nightmare with the E30 with the M3 knuckles. I recommend anyone to just go non-M if they have an M3. It'll just be easier for you and cheaper. You can sell the knuckles for more, but they work. We'll give it some more testing, go to a track day or something maybe, or some more spirited driving, and really give them a chance to shine. So yeah, let's get this car back to Trevor now.
Night, found a rave, you hit me up, asking where the party at, you pull up, transport